Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the wheel and ensuring the hub is accessible. Once done, deflate tubeless or remove the tube and clean the axle area. Use cone wrenches and the correct Allen keys to back off lock nuts. This frees the cone without damaging threads. You should remove end caps next and lay out spacers in order. Make sure to photograph or line them up so reassembly matches. This first phase prevents lost parts and preserves bearing per load. Once the end caps and lock nuts are off, you pull the axle and remove cones and bearings. Handle loose bearings over a tray to avoid losses. If your hub uses cartridges, press them out carefully while noting orientation. Inspect cones and races for pitting or scoring. This is why hubs fail and why replacement may be necessary. Clean all parts with solvent, dry thoroughly, and test bearings by feel. Make sure to replace any components that show wear rather than risk premature failure. You begin reassembly by packing bearings with fresh grease or seating new cartridges. Once installed, slide the axle back and fit cones and spacers in the original order. Adjust per load. Tighten cones until slight resistance, then back off until the wheel spins freely with no lateral play. This prevents drag or premature wear. Once lock nuts are secured, spin the wheel and check for binding or wobble. If there is play after tightening, recheck spacer order and cone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.